PS5 won't turn on, don't freak out. Try these 5 emergency fixes before you spend a dime on a repair or a new console. It's almost always fixable, so really don't panic. These 5 quick emergency checks solve this for most people. And when it doesn't, you're the unfortunate few that need a repair or a new console. But I always say let's try the free stuff first. Number 1, power cycle the right way. Not the quick unplug. Hold the power button down until you hear that second beep. Then unplug it for 60 seconds. Step 2, just check your surge protector. Half the dead PS5s out there are just dead surge protectors. You can test this by just going right to the wall outlet. Obviously don't keep it that way, go get a new surge protector. But it'll show you that your console's fine, it was the surge protector all along. A lot of times these things can brown out and just not have enough juice for the squeeze. And boy does your PlayStation 5 like to squeeze. Next we're going to go ahead and do an HDMI reset. It's weird but true. If your PlayStation 5 ever loses that handshake, it appears dead. Unplug the HDMI from both ends, wait 30 seconds and you can try it again. I'm a huge fan of trying another TV and another HDMI cable. A lot of times you realize there was an issue with one of them and you can interdependently change them. Then plug it back in. If it worked at any one of those points, you know what the problem was now. Number 4, dust in the PSU intake. Tap the back lightly and take a listen. If you hear the faint static or a weak clicking sound, that means your PSU is struggling. Brush that exhaust gently. Do not force air inside. If dust is the cause, you're only going to worsen it with that. But if that is the cause, we've also got a fix for that down the road. Stick around. 5, the secret safe boot mode. Hold the power button for 7 seconds until you hear that second beep. If it boots, the issue was thermal or power related. And again, both are easily fixable. Look, most PlayStation 5s aren't actually dead. They're dusty, overheating, or stuck in a power loop. If none of those revive yours, still don't panic. And don't give up. It probably just needs a safe cleaning and a PSU recovery. I put the exact PlayStation 5 cleaning kit that I use in the bio. That way, if you want to try cleaning it, you don't break your device. And follow me here at Takeyama Labs, where we come with real fixes, not fluff. I'm David G, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.